All right, for number 5, I'm looking at it. They're giving me something. And by the way, I don't think I want to solve that for x, by the way. And the reason for that, I'm noticing what they want is a square in it. So what I'll do is I'm going to square it. So x plus 1 over x squared would be equal to 5 squared. So here what you get x plus 1 over x times x plus 1 over x. There's a reason I'm writing that down, by the way, to prevent mistakes from occurring. 5 squared is 25. Here you get x squared plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over x squared, and that equals 25. So x squared plus 1 over x squared, equals, 1 plus 1 is 2, so this is going to be 23. And what I notice about this over here is that that's exactly what I wanted. So x squared plus 1 over x squared is 23, and 23 minus 7, I need to square that. And the question is, what is that? And I got to go through that arithmetic, by the way. And again, here at SU, we don't use calculators, so we have to do this by hand. So 23 minus 7 is 16 squared equals something. The way I do arithmetic, the way you do it might be different, but I'm going to do 16 times 16 now. Right, 16 times 6. Oh, I'm sorry, it's cubed. That's even worse. You know what? I'm not going to do 16 times 16. I didn't know this was a cube. I certainly don't want to cube that. Let me erase this over here. Let me erase this too, right? I'll be neater about it. I thought it was a square. It's much easier if it's square, right? So it'd be 16 cubed equals, and by the way, I'm going to write this a little differently. I'm going to write it as 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, 8, 16, 2 to the 4. Is that right? 2, 4? And that's going to be cubed, right? That's 2 to the 12. Now, by the way, I have an easier time multiplying by 2 than 16s, believe it or not. Let's go through it. And I'm using my fingers, by the way. 2 times 2 is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 4096. I'll write that down now. 4096. By the way, this is a fine answer too. Don't think that's a bad looking answer. But anyway, also 16 cubed was a good answer, by the way. You could also write that down. What do you feel comfortable with? I'm saying good, good, good. All right, thank you.